a shore fishing now is more fishing.
That's right.
Yeah man, so just reach at the spot now viewers, so we go unpack the boat now and get the action started, you know? Alright, so just keep watching folks, don't go anywhere. Hopefully we can give you some great action for the next 48 hours or so.
Yes folks, guys are here unloading all the equipment. Yes man, so I can see it's action non-stop. Folks, we were planning to go this morning. It was a no. Waves are coming over, so I unload the boat and get all these equipments out. Understand? Yes man. So show you when the action starts, you know. The big pot start cooking. Yes man.
We make a shore fishing, Jerry, right there, and the crew. Yeah man, we make up camp right there, so say a man over there, one man over there. So more up that side. But you know, I'm going to start there, the front here. I'm going to start right the front with my lure, so I can find a jack or anything I can find. Not really specialized, you know. So just stay tuned viewers and just keep watching, because I'm going to give you a bit of action we get today. We have a lot of cameras so we can cover basically every angle, you know. So see you when I get to hook up, alright?
Just here. The rest of the team's over there ready. Nobody landed nothing yet so far. But we're here and the team's getting together, getting their camp set up. We had to make makeshift camps instead of using our tent, guys, because the water over here is totally different. I can get this. You can't get it? Yeah, I didn't know if you was gonna use it.
I found crab!
Whoa!
Yes folks, so I just made the first cast, waiting for a pick. You can see down there, you can see Ralston and one of the member of shore fishing. Yeah, that is to my left, to my right here. You can see Noel, Scooby and Roy. It's not a big place, but just have to utilize the spot. Here is the perfect spot we see so far. So more than in the night, we'll go to the left and see we got some big rods, but now we're doing some microfishing. So now check out the bottom of them and see if it's rocky or grassy. So stay tuned, I'll show you in action. Oh, see there folks. Yes man. First catch of the morning. Can see. Yeah. So this is the first one. Good morning. Yeah, first cast, first fish. Not looking bad. A fish to go and fry, man. So get him off, put him in the bag. Yep. That's a bad one. Next cast and see if we can get your next one. Oh, nice cast. Very nice. Yes, folks. like a little small one come and attack me. Oh folks, false alarm. It's grass. It's grass, folks. Grass. It's the grass. There it is. The grass. Give me a false alarm. So keep watching. Show you when the action continue. The bait is here. Yes, folks, I tell you, it's America fishing at the best. Here, third one in counting one. Make sure you see him. Yes, folks, see there, looking lovely. Okay, now let's see that. So that's an hand size. Nice to fry.
Nice size shot, look wild people, look at that. Yes, Pablo. This is Pablo here, people. Pablo caught a shad. Pablo first catch. Got a nice shot in the cooler already, guys. Look at that. He broke his ducks on this trip. My lines are not even set over here, guys, because the wind over here is giving me a fight. I keep on getting hitched up. I'm gonna move my line to the side with Pablo. Richie, watch out.
What do you say, shot that way?
Cooler.
Huh?
Cooler.
Different one like this.
I'm gonna put in at this one there. Something on, guys. He's fighting, he got gaff. Got something, guys. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Private Jack, yeah! 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 Guys, teacher just murder sitting, guys. I showed you from a distance. And teacher score. Come on the man them ends and the man them a bingo.
Extreme fishes at it.
That's right. Extreme fisher. Teacher man at it man. Teacher teach. You see? Teacher, you deserve a cup of coffee. Would you like a cup of coffee? Huh? Coffee there, man. Would you like a cup? Boss. Show the camera. Boss just scored. That looks like a 10 pounder. That looks like a 10 pounder. You have a scale? You want to weigh him? You want to weigh him? Come here, no? Let's weigh him. Let's get a weight on this bad boy. Fucking man job.
Which you right there? What scale is it? 10 pound extra.
Oh, 10.10 people.
Fatal turnover.
Turnover, see that? Hey, want to fix the water? No, make water that man. 10.10. That's a good weight. Look at that, guys. Look at this fish right here. Yeah, man.
That's right.
That is a good catch, Steve. Yeah, man. That's one for the record, guys. Yes, teacher. Check out the pot. Drop him down. What about the pepper, the man? Yeah. More on today, too. And there, man. Lay him flat, man. Lay him flat, teach. Yeah. Yeah. Alright? You can't take out. Rice and pot. This have to cook the rice, Anthony.
Yeah. What's good?
See big pot there. Hold your coffee. Teach. See coffee and sugar here, you know, and cup, and spoon and them sitting there if you want a hot cup, you know, man. Help yourself. Alright. Yeah, man, warm up the stomach. You see it? Yeah, guys. He just landed at 10.10 pounds, guys. 10.10 pounds. Look at that. That's a good weight. That's a good catch. I want to hold at least one of those. One. I'll be happy.
We gotta say, Pablo doing it. Pablo pepper in his spot. 7 fish.
Pablo, go on wicked man. Look on Pablo, we over there some people. Remember, say, I'm on 1K with the people. This don't even have a name. We don't know where we're at.
Out in the sea.
We're out in the middle of the ocean.
Show them where we are.
Look at the size of those waves, guys. I don't know if you can see this. Look at this. They're huge. And the wind is giving us a fight. I've hitched up a few times, guys. You notice I got all 3 of my lines out. I've lost 4 rigs already. And Siege is doing his thing. Caught a nice 10-pound jack a while ago. Ralph, Extreme, I don't know what he picked up so far. He's coming back over here. So let's see what's up, guys. See what he grabbed so far. He looks like he grabbed. Aki just sticky yaman na yan. No, it's coffee.
We're having a cup of
Would you like a cup of tea?
Yes.
I'm going to snap, you know.
Empty cup. This is like
I'm
one.
going to snap, so.
Yeah man, fryers man. Yo, Paragon 7 of them already.
I'm sick of them because them are going to give me one.
Yeah.
Wow. Can you get them now?
No.
If you want to snap, what is it? I'm going to buy it bar.
Yeah. Let me see if I can go pick up 2.
No!
I use this far right.
I'm far don't buy it, you know.
Far out.
Far.
You win that to carry the lines.
Yeah man, I have 3 ounce. A 3 ounce may run. So I'm good.
Carry them, the expensive thing than them pizza, man. You know you
Alright, well, we make them just for this trip.
Jerry, me make them too.
No, mister, we sit down and we make them. Yo brother, we make a Porsche and a lead just for this trip. Yo, me I kept 2 ice snacks, you know. Yeah.
Hear me peep there, you know, but I see a piece of weather coming, peeps. A piece of weather coming. I don't know if you hear me good, but it's extremely windy. So right now, get some small fish. So let's relax and have lunch and some fish on the fire.
That's nice. That's what's up. Fresh fish, guys. The wind is giving us a hell of a fight, but we still doing our thing.
Bush cooking. Yeah man, I remember now we're there with Jamaica shore fishing. Yeah. Yeah man, see them there? So remember now viewers, just check out them channel. Nice content and thing, you know. Yeah man, so we stay and enjoy ourselves, you know. A nice link up, nice collaboration. Yes, yes, my peeps. Yeah man, the action starts, you know. See there? This is Noel. On the run. Hope it's a snapper. Hope it's a snapper. Take down with him, bro. What it feel like? Eh? Hold him! Yes! So we do it! Yeah man, nice barrow. Too easy. Yeah, man. Get a scale. Get a scale on it. You cannot lift. Yes, my peeps. Come on, see there now. Teacher, it no peeps. Yes, I. No, no go, no go, no go, no go, man, no go, man. Where you go? Come on. Oh, this thing. Come across like a shark, sir. Yeah? Come across like a shark, sir. Across like a shark. Like a shark, yes. Yeah, man, gym work. Sure. A shark that, man, right? Let me run there, shark. Facing across, grass. Let me see your face still. Run like a shark. Don't you wanna feel like a shark? Yeah, man, your face back. Cross. Call Kevin and make Kevin. Get him in a work off here, man. Yeah, man, come in, man. Come. Oh, okay. Alright. Kevin! Come take this! Come! I'm not getting a work off fish, come on. Come take us. Some arrows off for you. Yeah, man. You know, if you see him, when you see him go cross, then you know if you ask that. Guess that, man. That's not for a long time, man. I blocked it. Okay. Watch your face in the breed. Jerry, you want to work? Take a work, Jerry. Welcome to the Extreme Lifestyle. Make a show fishing and eating of you, see him there? Oh, that's a show and catch, you know? Really, you know, man, you find them pocket double house and skirt, man. Oh, yeah, man, you know. Watch it. You're on it, ready. Almost ready. Ready, okay, you know. 30 miles on that side. No, man. Up with him. Bring him out. Oh, the line cut. The line cut, you know, line cut. Yeah, man, I alone have him, you know. Yeah, Pete, this one going on the grill, you know. Nice shot, viewers. Alright, viewers, if you know the name of the shark, drop it in the comment box, alright? Nice shark. It's not a black tip, it's not a nurse shark. So if you know the name of it, drop it in the comment box. Alright, see you in the next run. Oh. Fish is it? Yes, please. Yeah, man. Go to the next one. Still there. I run them sit out here, so. Man, them scattered all over the little island, viewers, all over. Right, so. Then we give a shot one tonight. Just to give you the day's summary. First, start. Noel, as you can see, kill a barracuda. That one also in the igloo. That sums up the day's activity. Alright, so just stick and stay with us. Anything at midnight, we'll try our best to let you see. If we can give you a live footage, sure we'll show you some pictures. Alright, so stay tuned, man, and just keep watching. Alright? Yes, Pete. Yeah, man, we're there upon the second and final morning, you know. Yeah, the team is all out. And remember, this one is Extreme Fishers alongside with Make a Shore Fishing. Yeah, man, here are my rods. Yeah, all over this little island. Team are scattered. You know, shore fishing boss caught the barracuda since morning.
Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Jamaican Shore Fishing. First catch. Anarchy lures. Haha. Got him, guys. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Anarchy spoon lures. That's what's up. Yeah? Fish on. Got him, guys. He was out here waiting for me this morning, guys. Yeah! Yeah! Haha. Woohoo! Yeah! That's what's up. Yeah, beautiful picture here, guys. Anarchy spoon powder coated lures, guys.
Scooby, got a permit as well. Talk to me. Yeah, me peeps. See there now, Scooby there now. Alright. Nice, Ross, that's right. Yeah, peeps. Never get to catch it on camera live, but see there. I never have a fish now. No, man, I mean, shrimp here, regular fishing though. Oh, see there. Yeah, man, a shrimp fishing, bring him that in the peeps. Don't know with your skill and your equipment. Yeah, man, kill anything, man. Don't cry your farm breakfast. What me see, man? Nice, Ross there. Yeah, man, so set out still now, make you know what I go on. We'll spread out, right, and all set, waiting for some action. Hope we can find a few more fish before the captain arrive, you know? Just stay tuned. Let us see what's going on. Alright? Yes, me peeps. Yeah, man, we come to the end of another one, you know. So right now, I'm packing time. Leave this place. Kube!
This fishing adventure has now come to a beautiful ending. It was fun. It was out with Extreme and the team.
Yes.
And had a blast. And we must do this again, guys. Definitely gonna do this again. This is
Well, the next place we want to go over Extreme place because we want pepper.
that's right. That's right. We want to hit your reef next. That's where we want to hit next.
You hear that, folks?
Yeah, that's it. We can't put for the beach.
Because that's a little bit more extreme. Yeah, I get slapped up by a wave and tumble upon back.
Well,
Right, last
kicking
time
your
she right
face.
tumble upon him back. I extremely see right now.
What a sweep him, give him a tackle.
This is right, tumble back way, so to
The
right.
last video where Extreme put up the sea wave, lick him.
Yeah, man.
You see?
I see liquid about
Yeah.
One time, I saw my money
He said, don't lose the fish up. Don't lose the fish.
Yeah, man. The second one I fix him, because I have him.
Yeah.
And he lick me about 3, I have him out to see he balance me off. Yeah, man. Yeah, my peeps, see there, you know. Leaving now, you know. Got the place. It's a beauty. You usually know, say, drop a one line, say if I can make a cancellation catch. You know? So if I hook up something, definitely show it to you guys, you know? Alright.
Yes, folks. Yeah.
Get your other side.
Yeah.
Get your other side.
Full trucker. All aboard. Yes, folks. So they're out.
Yeah, my peeps. Come to the end, you know. Yeah, man. Close off this one, you know. It was a good adventure, peeps. Really enjoy myself. Fishing never really go like how we plan, you know. Really enjoy myself, yours. Yeah, man. The whole little vibe was nice, you know. And the important thing is that shore fishers, Jamaican shore fishers, really enjoy it. You know, so until then, I'll see you in the next one. O'Neil?
It was an excellent one. Second time, love it more. Going back, definitely. Port to see again with
Jamaica shore fishing.
shore fishing. Jamaica shore fishing.
Alongside extreme and more fishing.
Alright.
Shore fishing boss himself. I tell you, beats, man. I tell you, how was it, Jerry?
100%
Yo.
A-OK, bro. Big action. Never man name Extreme.
Yeah. So you're going to viewers, remember, you know, check out Jamaica Shore fishing. You get me, I say? Alongside Extreme is more fishing. Remember, man. So, you see, next.
For the next adventure that we have in the planning stage, something sicker than this.
The next visit, Jerry, may I reach you before you reach me, you know? May I reach you before you reach me? Remember me tell you that. Yeah, viewers, so keep on supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing and sharing, alright? So see you in the next one.